Welcome to our roundup of the best Dyson cordless vacuum cleaners. Whether you're tackling pet hair, deep cleaning carpets, or maintaining spotless hard floors, we've selected top models that offer exceptional performance, reliability, and innovative features. We'll explore each vacuum's capabilities, including suction power, runtime, filtration systems, versatility, and user-friendly designs, to help you choose the perfect cleaning companion for your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for the best deals. Let's dive in and discover the ultimate Dyson cordless vacuum for you. At number 1, we have the Dyson Digital Slim. The Dyson Digital Slim vacuum offers a perfect blend of lightweight design and powerful performance. Weighing 33% less than the Dyson V11, it provides up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction on a single charge, making it an ideal companion for quick cleanups and deep cleaning sessions alike. Its slim and cordless build ensures easy maneuverability, allowing you to clean even hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. This vacuum is designed with versatility in mind. It comes equipped with a motorized cleaner head that effectively tackles all floor types while also detangling hair and pet fur. Moreover, it easily converts into a handheld vacuum for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and cars, making it an all-in-one solution. To add, it includes 3 specialized accessories for enhanced cleaning capabilities, ensuring every corner of your home is spotless. In terms of air quality, the advanced filtration system traps 99.99% of microscopic particles as small as zero point 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air back into your home. Additionally, the vacuum features an intelligent LCD screen that displays power modes, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime, keeping you informed at every step. Plus, its lightweight yet durable construction is backed by a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Overall, the Dyson Digital Slim is an excellent choice for those seeking convenience, power, and versatility in a single device. While some parts, like the dirt compartment, may feel fragile, the vacuum's performance and functionality outweigh this minor drawback. At number 2, we have the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. The V12 Slim stands out as Dyson's most intelligent cordless vacuum. Designed to reveal invisible dust, it combines compact functionality with powerful performance, offering 30% more power and up to 60 minutes of runtime. Its lightweight construction, 24% lighter than the Dyson V15, ensures ergonomic and effortless use, making it a reliable tool for everyday cleaning. Additionally, it converts to a handheld vacuum for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery, enhancing its versatility. This vacuum intelligently adapts its power based on the debris detected, ensuring efficient cleaning. Moreover, the LCD screen provides real-time data on total particles picked up, along with power mode, maintenance alerts, and precise remaining runtime. With the fluffy optic cleaner head, it reveals hidden dust on hard floors, while the motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types and detangles long hair and pet fur. Plus, the hair screw tool efficiently tackles long hair and pet hair on surfaces like car seats and stairs. In terms of filtration, the advanced whole machine filtration system traps 99.99% of particles as small as zero point 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air is expelled during use. To add, its strong and durable materials come with a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support for peace of mind. Overall, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim offers exceptional performance, versatility, and intelligent features. Although it cannot pick up liquid spills, its innovative design and functionality make it a top-tier choice for dry cleaning tasks. Next up, we have the Dyson Humdinger Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson Humdinger Handheld Cleaner is a compact yet powerful cleaning solution for quick and efficient cleaning tasks. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, it offers exceptional portability while delivering up to 25 minutes of fade-free suction power. With 2 cleaning modes, it ensures you can tailor its performance to meet your specific cleaning needs, making it ideal for everyday use in various spaces. This vacuum is equipped with advanced whole machine filtration, which traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air is expelled during operation. Additionally, its innovative design includes versatile cleaning tools, such as a hair screw tool for removing pet hair and a combi crevice tool for tackling tight spaces. These tools, combined with Dyson-engineered accessories, make cleaning hard-to-reach areas effortless and thorough. In terms of practicality, the Humdinger offers excellent usability for quick cleanups, from furniture and upholstery to corners and crevices. However, to add, its small dirt compartment is a notable limitation. While the compact design is perfect for portability, the dirt container may require frequent emptying, which might be a slight inconvenience during larger cleaning tasks. Overall, the Dyson Humdinger stands out as a lightweight and effective handheld vacuum, perfect for targeted cleaning and smaller messes. Coming up next, we have the Dyson Wash G1. The Dyson Wash G1 Wet Vacuum is a robust solution for tackling both wet and dry messes on hard floors. Engineered with precision, it employs two motorized microfiber rollers to eliminate spills, hair, and even dried-on stains without relying on suction. Its ability to handle diverse cleaning challenges makes it an excellent choice for households seeking efficiency and convenience. This cleaner offers impressive coverage with its 0.2-gallon water tank, capable of cleaning over 3,100 square feet on a single fill. Moreover, with a runtime of up to 35 minutes, it allows for uninterrupted cleaning using either tap water or common household detergents. In terms of adaptability, it features 3 cleaning modes to customize hydration levels for various messes, plus a max mode for more stubborn stains. Its smooth maneuverability ensures it glides effortlessly around furniture and reaches low spaces for thorough cleaning. Additionally, the Wash G1 simplifies maintenance with its automatic debris separation system, no-touch disposal, and dishwasher-safe components. To add, its self-cleaning function flushes the system in just 140 seconds, saving time and ensuring the machine stays in peak condition. However, its bulky and tall design might be a drawback for those with limited storage space, as it doesn't easily fit under furniture or inside compact cupboards. Overall, the Dyson Wash G1 Wet Vacuum Cleaner delivers exceptional performance and versatility for hard floor cleaning. At number 5, we have the Dyson Gen 5 Detect. The Gen 5 Detect vacuum cleaner is a high-performance device designed to make cleaning effortless and efficient. With an impressive 350-watt suction power and a lithium-ion battery that offers up to 70 minutes of runtime, it ensures thorough cleaning without the constraints of a cord. Its lightweight and sleek design further enhances convenience, making it a valuable tool for any household. This vacuum excels in delivering a healthier home environment. Its whole machine HEPA filtration system traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, ensuring that only clean air is expelled into your living space. Moreover, the vacuum's LCD screen provides real-time updates, including particle removal statistics, power mode, maintenance alerts, and precise runtime. It even adjusts suction power automatically based on the debris type and flooring detected, offering a smarter and more adaptive cleaning experience. Additionally, the Gen 5 Detect is equipped with versatile tools, including 2 advanced cleaner heads for deep cleaning different surfaces. The crevice tool and dusting brush make it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas, while the innovative hair screw tool is perfect for removing pet hair and debris. Overall, the Dyson Gen 5 Detect is a powerful and intelligent cleaning companion designed to meet modern household needs. While minor tweaks might be needed for carpeted areas, its performance, adaptability, and advanced filtration make it a standout choice for efficient home cleaning. The last one on our list is Dyson Ball Animal 3 Upright. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 vacuum cleaner is engineered for homes with pets and delivers unmatched cleaning performance. Featuring detangling technology, it automatically clears wrapped hair from the brush bar, making it perfect for households with furry companions. With 3 adjustable cleaning modes, it provides optimal settings for a variety of tasks, ensuring complete control over your cleaning needs. This vacuum is designed for easy maneuverability, thanks to Dyson's innovative ball technology, which allows you to navigate around obstacles with just a turn of the wrist. Moreover, its advanced radial root cyclone technology enhances suction power, efficiently removing dirt and particles. Additionally, the whole machine filtration system traps allergens and dust inside, ensuring cleaner air is expelled back into your home. To add convenience, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 comes with 2 specialized tools, a stair tool and a combination tool for versatile cleaning options. It is particularly suited for larger homes with pets, easily tackling stubborn pet hair and big messes. Overall, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Upright Vacuum Cleaner stands out with its powerful suction, advanced technology, and pet-friendly design. While its weight and noise might not suit everyone, its efficiency and reliability make it a top choice for maintaining a clean and healthy home. You got it. So that's it for the best Dyson cordless vacuum in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.